What's good, YouTube, man? It's ShotBy and we're back out here with another video for y'all, man. And today is gonna be another unboxing slash install video. And shout out to AUXITO for sending us these LED headlights for the whip, man. And we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little unboxing, do an installation, and then we're gonna compare them between the old ones versus these ones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, man. All right, man, we're gonna slide this little top off. And look, they fancy. I swear, they be sending us the most fancy boxing for everything. They ain't got white gloves in here. It's probably so you can't, or so you don't touch the bulb itself or whatever. So you feel me? We got the white gloves. What else we got in here? It don't look like too much, so it ain't gonna take too long. We got some instructions right here, and then we got some zip ties. And then without taking them out and touching on them too much, it looks like in here we got the bulbs with some, maybe those are resistors built into them, for real. Who knows, but that's probably what they are. So that's pretty much it. That's in the box, so that didn't take too long, obviously. So yeah, obviously the zip ties, so you can probably tie these wires up somewhere, keep them out the way. And then the instructions to tell you how to do it, and then the gloves so you don't touch the bulbs directly. So now that's out the way, man. We're just gonna go ahead and hop out here and we're gonna show you what the old halogen bulbs look like versus these new LED 65,000 or whatever, or 6,500 or whatever you want to pronounce that stuff, man. All right, y'all, man, as y'all can see, these are my old headlights, and they're not really that yellow or anything like that because they are like the cool white or whatever version that isn't as yellow as the normal halogen bulbs. So there's my normal headlights, and there's the high beam. So like I said, y'all can see they're pretty bright and they're not yellow or anything like that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and swap them out with these new bright LED bulbs and see how they look now. But yeah, of course, the install, if you know anything about cars, is gonna be pretty easy. You just take your headlight bulb, twist it out. Well, I guess I could have unplugged it first so it pulls out. And then once you unplug it, you just, like I said, you can twist it, take it out, and then boom, there's the old bulb. Set that over to the side. And then when you take the bulb, obviously you want to install it to where the LEDs are literally sitting side to side like this. And then if they have the two LEDs on the both sides like these do, the one that is on the bottom should be sitting further back than the other one. So if it's like this and the one on the bottom is facing forward, then that's wrong. So you want to flip it like this and make sure it stays like this once you put it in the headlight. All right, you guys, after a little bit of a struggle, man, I finally got it in. So as you guys can see, there's one, there's the other. And mind you, this is the daily, so we're just trying to fix it back up and get it going. So just for comparison again, y'all see it, man. So we about to go ahead and repeat this same process to the other side, and then here I'll show you guys the distance. That's normal, that's high beam, and look, so that's high beam over there, that's high beam over here with the LED, halogen LED. So yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and get that old one swapped out. All right, you guys, man, I finally got that other one put in. So I don't know if you can hear me over this beeping, but boom, that's regular, that's high beam. And then I'm gonna have to do a little comparison with the older bulbs. But basically, man, it was definitely worth the change. And as you guys can see, I got the same LED bulbs down there, so they match. And then I'm gonna have to get some side marker or some turn signals too. But yeah, you guys can see, a big difference between what's in it now versus the yellow that was in it before. And they weren't even that yellow from what I thought, but as you guys can see. But all right, you guys, man, I had to hurry up and get back in here into the heat. It's actually pretty cold outside already, but as y'all can see, it's pretty easy to install, and it improves the visibility with the lights and greatly from what I can tell. So it was definitely worth the little 10-15 minutes it took to change them out, and that was only because I had a little trouble with lining up the little things to make the bulbs line up right. But once again, man, I want to shout AUXITO for sending us these to try out basically, and I'm looking forward to working with them again in the future on more products. And basically, if you want to get yourself some, you can hit that the link in the pinned comment, and then use the code ShotBy for 15% off your order. And if you want to see me do more little installation videos or repair videos and stuff like that on my daily, which I have big plans for, and big things are coming to it very soon, and just stay tuned to figure out what that will be. And it should be dope. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, man. And like I said, hit that link in the pinned comment and in the description. Use my code ShotBy, and you'll get 15% off your AUXITO order, man. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.
I'ma get paid long as my heart beat. I ain't on some people who can't